Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exclusive car show to get to. I'm told that there's going to be some amazing things here. Everything's going to be from old to new. What else did they say is going to be there? Some Lamborghini Aventadors, some original Ferraris, one of my favorites, Ferrari Testarossa. Even I think the joint that Magnum PI used to drive, if y'all remember that far back. But we're definitely going to see some hot cars, some exclusive cars. It's invite only. So, you know what? Instead of me sitting here just talking to y'all and telling y'all about it, let's get to it.
Fata beats on the track. Fata beats on the track. Fata beats on the track.
Making it ready?
Hey guys, what's going on? What's up again? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was trying to give you guys someplace hot to kind of end this video at. Lamborghini, Ferrari, or something like that. I went to a few spots, but everything is freaking closed right now because of this whole Corona thing. So just bear with the times, bear with me. You know, I got some few hot things, like I said, still coming up. I'm actually going to start the wrap next week, so I'm going to give you guys a full video before and after of the wrap, and that's going to be super freaking cool. But yeah, like I said, just bear with me. I mean, trying to film this video alone, I got stopped by 2 cops just now and a homeless guy who's like roaming around somewhere back there. I don't know if you could see him or if he even disappeared or whatever, but yeah, he stopped asking me for directions, which I couldn't help him anyway because I'm not from Houston, so I don't know where any of these blocks are. So yeah, like I said, just bear with me, and we're gonna get through this, finish these videos, do as much as I possibly can, Like I said, I'm doing a build right now, started that. So I can't wait to show you guys the new wrap that I'm gonna be putting on the car. You guys are gonna see that, and that's just pretty much gonna be super cool. So until then, till the next video, see y'all later. Peace.